when they go after a fish, they don't miss.
Yeah, you and I go for different water. I'm going to go to the left. There's a rock here. This is a phenomenal river up here. Hey? All right, so we got to do it's just rained, let's go back kind of a yeah. Whenever we kind of run into the same set of circumstances where we've got a couple days of rain and then it's a nice sunny day like this, we got to redo this one. All right, it doesn't have to be big water to make it interesting because when the river's like this and you know it's low, it's a lot more fun if you gotta pick your lines and pay attention to where the water's moving. And sometimes I guess wrong. George's better at it than I am. But, pay attention. If you get the wrong place, you get hung up. This one's fine here though. If you don't mind, I had to get you the video.
All good.
Well, I've never come this far up other than to go to Luther Marsh, right? So, because I've always been scared that the water is going to be so shallow, and that's the reason why I've never tried this part of the river.
I think this time next week it will be.
Yeah. I mean, a couple times we got out, but so far so good. There. get underneath the bridge here, there's a West Montrose campground over here, which is actually a very cool little spot. I tried to camp here when I was younger. I've never been, but if I was, I would come here for sure. Leave the geese alone? Yeah, I've seen the babies. Alright. I'm sure we can pull out here if you want. Can we pull out here? Right here? Well, it looks like we can get out here. So